How to add a bank account for Stripe Payout. Hi everybody. If you want to add bank account for payouts in Stripe, you can just go and follow out these steps and you should be able to do it. For that, we can start by signing in into a Stripe dashboard. So head over and sign in into your Stripe dashboard first and log in into your account as well if you've already signed in. After that, we can open up our settings. For that, look out for the profile option in the top left and select it, and select the option of settings from the menu that pops up. Once you select settings option, this opens up our settings. So in the settings menu, we need to find the payments option. So go ahead and look out for payments under product selling. Go ahead and click on it, and that should open up the space right here. Now what we need to do is go to the payout section. So go ahead and look out for payout, or look out for this option called payment methods and click on it, and that should give us a page where we can add up a bank card. So here in this section, you can add bank account for payouts. We have different cards available, so you can just go and check it out and go ahead and select the one that you prefer. Also, if you want to add one, you can select this option called payment method name to click on plus, and you can just go and type it in and click on apply, and it should accordingly filter out and show you the payment method that you're looking for. For example, cards, you can go over there and click on it, and here you can see the type, payment confirmation, recurring payments, and many more. You can just go and check out for it. Otherwise, if you want a custom one, go to payments. Back again, go to custom payment methods, and here we'll be finding an option where we can add up one. Click on this option called create custom payment method. After that, you can search for existing custom methods, for example PayPal, select it and click on create, and you need to agree to the Stripe's custom payment methods terms. Click on create and go ahead and look out for it, and you can see the custom ID type, and PayPal has been successfully created and added as a payment method on your account. So that's it everybody. You may follow out this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.